So finally, this is the face behind BMW Ignite. मैं हूँ प्रतीश and I create cinematic automotive experiences. Today, BMW 325Li. Let's get into it.
Something about the surface shifts before the shape settles. BMW Ignite frames a presence that stays controlled yet revealing. This is BMW 325Li G28 long-wheelbase luxury sedan in carbon black metallic. Light moves across panels smoothly exposing a deep blue undertone. Built with extended rear focus and petrol-driven character throughout. Launched globally in 2023 within 45 to 52,000 range. Still absent from India, leaving its pricing space steadily undefined. Rear lights glow as camera dips, revealing underbody structure holding steady. Side profile stretches long, while ground clearance check anchors. Real-world stands clearly. Hands lift hood exposing engine-based surfaces. While fluid cap interaction complete cycle. Panel shuts firmly reflecting overhead lights, sealing surface alignment cleanly. Door handle pulls outward as red leather cabin appears against dark exterior contrast. Door swings open, revealing dual-tone cabin as hand traces dashboard settling inside frame. Curved display lights up while metallic handle and panel lines align smoothly. Hidden panel presses down, opening cue folders as rotary control turns, steadily completing interaction. Gear toggle shifts with tactile response while console surfaces hold clean structure. Lever pulls twice, releasing latch as seat depth check extends cushion forward. Measurement continues across surface while thigh support locks into extended position. Side controls activate, adjusting seat form settling into final hold. Seat controls press and shift as fingers test each adjustment holding motion. Front cushion pulls outward while thigh support extends, smoothly completing comfort range. Seat base moves rapidly in time motion, revealing panoramic glass above clearly. U-locks behind wheel as handrest aligning steering and display steadily. Screen interface activates, showing audio panel, while ambient lighting spreads softly. Door speakers glow under color shifts as sound layers settle inside cabin. Final frame stabilizes interior mood control. Door panel tilts into view, revealing red leather and illuminated sill settling frame. Steering aligns ahead as curved display stretches across dashboard, glowing smoothly. Console details sharpen while rotary dial and buttons hold tactile structure clearly. Seat surface reveals stitching and perforation as camera tracks downward steadily. Dashboard sweep continues, showing ambient accents and rear vents forming balanced layout. Rear cabin opens wide as light falls through glass, creating calm spatial depth. Final frame holds gently, stabilizing. Full interior view with composed comfort and control. Seatbelt pulls from anchor as motion starts, then settles into frame. Foot presses pedal downward as force builds, then stabilizes position clearly. Rear lights ignite sharply as stance holds, reflecting controlled presence steadily. Console inputs rotate and shift as controls respond, locking interaction loop. Hand glides across leather surfaces, smoothly revealing texture and stitching depth. Buttons press with precision as memory. And window controls complete final position hold, then settle gradually into stable resting state. Door panel leather glides underhand, revealing deep stitch texture flow. Lock clicks engage as control cluster responds with precise feedback hold. Memory buttons trigger seat positions as system settles into stored alignment. Window switch lowers glass smoothly, opening bright showroom space outward. Mirror control pad adjusts angles steadily, reflecting surroundings with precision hold. Side mirror tilts outward, capturing balanced reflections of cars and space. Final touch settles controls as entire cabin system response locks in place. Door panel button press smoothly, mirror unfolds outward. Mirror glass reflects showroom space holds. Hand moves across dashboard, texture surface settles. Air vent rotates steadily, metallic edge adjust. Headlight panel buttons toggle, auto mode activates. Curved display remains active behind wheel glow. Driver grip steering wheel, both hands hold. Turn signal stock flicks upward, indicator triggers. Exterior DRL lights flash sharply, car remains. Stock presses forward, system response control locks. Indicator stock clicks with firm tactile feedback, response holds steady. Hand pushes stock upward, then toggles auto control, system locks. Thumb presses steering buttons steadily, each command registers clean. Volume roller shifts and icons respond inside, control cluster remains. Curved display spreads across dash, reflections stretching wide cabin settles. Finger swipes interface smoothly, digital menus transition layer by layer holds. 3D vehicle model rotates inside, screen depth rendering remains stable. Climate panel adjusts gradually, temperature values rise, ambient red glow rest. Red ambient strip glows across dash. Clean line forms. Fingers press vents. Sliders move with tight response. Metal dial turns. Buttons react fast with clear feedback. Front view shows grille and lights under bright light. Rear lights flash once. Badge and lines stay visible. Back and side. Controls move fast under direct cabin light. Console slides open. Cue folders and ports appear clean inside. Everything feels simple, sharp, clean, and ready for daily use always. A black plug slides into console socket, wood cover moves shut. Hand presses storage panel, smooth click locks inside cabin space. Fingers tap drive buttons, screen reacts with sharp UI changes. Control panel shifts focus between buttons and digital display flow. Drive mode switch fast. Colors pulse across infotainment screen. Hand rotates metal dial, each turn gives tight feedback response. Auto hold button clicks. Parking brake lights glow red indicator. Everything feels precise, controlled, built for daily driving comfort. A black silhouette stands under sharp showroom light, reflecting silence and power. Front grille holds steady, while light traces every clean edge. Headlamps cut through space, defining presence without movement. Camera slides slowly across body lines, showing controlled design language. Metal surface catches daylight, shifting tone with every angle change. Side profile reveals long stance, balanced like engineered precision. Brand badge sits firm, marking identity without noise or distraction. Everything here speaks one message: engineered dominance, pure form. Inside the cabin, light flows across the panoramic roof glass. Soft reflections move overhead, creating calm spatial depth. Ambient glow spreads from ceiling edges into the full cabin. Hand gestures fade, attention shifts upward into open roof design. Glass surface reflects motion outside, merging sky with interior feel. Light gradients travel slowly across headliner and structural lines. Cabin feels open, elevated, fully controlled from above and inside. Everything resolves into one identity: precision, space, and BMW presence.
The road ends, but the drive never stops. BMW 325Li. Drive the edge. In my opinion, this is built for drivers who want real control. Would you drive it daily or push it to the limit? Comment below and subscribe for more cinematic drives.